Swapping an LQ4 engine into a Chevrolet Camaro is a popular modification among car enthusiasts, particularly for those looking to increase the power and performance of their vehicle. The LQ4 engine, also known as the Vortec 6000, is a 6.0-liter V8 engine from General Motors' LS family, originally used in trucks and SUVs. Here's a comprehensive overview of what the LQ4 engine swap entails and its benefits for a Camaro. LQ4 Engine Overview. Engine name: LQ4 Vortec 6000. Displacement: 6.0 liters, 364 cubic inches. Configuration: V8 horsepower, approximately 325 HP. Stock form varies by year and application. Torque: approximately 360-370 lb-ft. Stock form. Fuel system: sequential fuel injection compression ratio, 9.4.1, varies slightly depending on the year. Benefits of an LQ4 engine swap in a Camaro: increased power. The LQ4 provides a significant boost in horsepower and torque, compared to many of the original engines found in older Camaros, particularly the smaller V8s or V6. Durability: built to withstand the demands of heavy-duty truck use, the LQ4 is a robust and reliable engine. Aftermarket support: the LS family, including the LQ4, has extensive aftermarket support, making it easier to find performance parts and tuning options. Cost-effective: LQ4 engines are often more affordable compared to other LS variants, such as the LS1 or LS3, making it a cost-effective option for a performance upgrade. Key considerations for the swap: engine mounts and fitment. Ensure you have the correct engine mounts and that the engine will fit in the Camaro's engine bay. Some modifications or custom mounts may be required. Transmission compatibility: the LQ4 can be paired with a variety of transmissions. Ensure that the transmission you plan to use is compatible and that you have the necessary adapter plates or bell housing. Wiring and electronics: you'll need to either adapt the existing wiring harness to work with the LQ4 or purchase a standalone wiring harness designed for LS swaps. An aftermarket engine control unit, ECU, may also be necessary. Cooling system: upgrade the cooling system to handle the increased heat output from the larger and more powerful engine. Exhaust system: custom or modified exhaust headers and pipes will be required to fit the new engine and ensure optimal performance. Fuel system: upgrade the fuel pump, fuel lines, and injectors to support the increased fuel demands of the LQ4. Tuning: professional tuning is essential to optimize the engine's performance and ensure it runs efficiently and reliably. Performance upgrades. Camshaft: upgrading to a performance camshaft can significantly increase horsepower and torque. Intake and exhaust: high-flow intake manifolds and exhaust systems can improve airflow and boost performance. Forced induction: adding a supercharger or turbocharger can dramatically increase power output. Cylinder heads: upgrading to performance. Cylinder heads can improve combustion efficiency and increase power. Fuel injectors: larger fuel injectors may be required to meet the increased fuel demand from other performance upgrades. Conclusion: swapping an LQ4 engine into a Chevrolet Camaro is a popular and rewarding project for performance enthusiasts. It provides a substantial increase in power and performance, supported by a wide range of aftermarket parts and tuning options. Whether you're building a street machine, a drag racer, or a track day car, the LQ4 offers a solid foundation for high-performance modifications. Proper planning, the right components, and professional tuning are key to successfully completing the swap and enjoying the enhanced capabilities of your Camaro.